Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from TradeSite. Just wanted to take a couple of minutes here and take a look at the current design of the NASDAQ futures, which represent the overall NDX. Going to be looking at it today with the Seeker tool, which is a tool that we use to to time turns in the market. This tool is something that we focus on in all time frames, but today I want to look at it in the daily time frame with the NQ futures. On your chart here, you can see that we've had this consolidation area in here, and then we pivoted to the upside here and broke out above this prior high. What we did in this process was we produced a fairly well organized but kind of a muted momentum move. These are the bars 1 through 9 here. That's our Seeker setup phase. And once that is completed, then we're going to proceed into the Seeker countdown phase. The countdown phase is what looks for the ultimate exhaustion. We're going 1 through 12 here. You can see the red numbers above these candles. Once we get to 13 bars up in the countdown phase, these are the red numbers again. Once we get to 13 bars up, that's the point where we are looking for a high probability inflection that will, at the minimum, produce a 9-bar count to the downside. That's the setup phase here. So we would see this only over here to the downside. You can see that we are 1 and actually 2 bars down here as soon as today's candle opens to the downside in this count. But the thing that I wanted to point out today is the fact that we've only gotten to 12 on our exhaustion run here. We never produced that 13. So when in fact we do produce that 13, we're going to have that high probability signal. The reason that's important now is that if the market does regain its footing here and turn back to the upside, we only need one more strong candle in all likelihood to produce that 13 exhaustion. So if this break doesn't really materialize into something to the downside just yet, at the next retest of this high up here, we're going to get our exhaustion signal, and then we'll have high probability shorts. So we're going to be tracking this, and feel free to stop by and pop into the TradeSite lab. You can take a free trial, and we can watch this in real time and also talk about some of the specifics of how you get to this signal. Again, this is Rich Derrick from TradeSite. We hope to see you soon.